2025, the world of earth-moving machinery stands in awe once again, as legends from the past resurface with a futuristic glow. Towering over nearly every bulldozer in existence, the ACCO Super Bulldozer, a rare, Italian one-off masterpiece, is back in the spotlight, captivating both machine enthusiasts and industrial giants. With its unmatched scale, engineering, and historical weight. Built originally in the 1980s by the Italian firm ACCO, this massive machine was intended for export to Libya, but never left Italian soil due to embargoes. Now, after decades of dormancy, it's been fully restored and upgraded, with 2025 level technology while preserving its original soul. From the first glance, the scale alone is intimidating. This is not a bulldozer. It's a monument to ambition, with a length of over 12 meters, a width pushing past 7 meters, and standing nearly 5 meters tall, the ACCO Super Dozer dwarfs most modern machines. Its custom-made blade is wider than most lanes of a highway, engineered not for mere construction, but for domination of the terrain. The sheer size of the blade tells you everything. This machine was never meant to participate. It was meant to lead. Under its steel skin lies a pair of twin Caterpillar D348 engines, originally pumping out over 1,700 horsepower combined. But in 2025, those engines have been revamped with hybrid electric assist units, boosting torque delivery at lower RPMs and increasing fuel efficiency by nearly 40%, without compromising its monstrous output. It doesn't roar anymore. It growls with a modernized hum, a low mechanical thunder that vibrates through your bones. Despite its heritage, the new digital telemetry system allows remote diagnostics, real-time blade angle tracking, and GPS precision alignment, bringing a ghost from the past fully into the future. Step into the operator's cabin, if you dare. You don't climb into the ACCO, you ascend into it. Inside, it's a fusion of heritage and innovation. The operator's seat has been redesigned for ergonomic support with heated suspension, while a fully digital touchscreen dash replaces the original analog gauges. A 360-degree camera system projects panoramic views directly onto the windshield, using augmented overlays to assist navigation on chaotic terrain. It feels less like piloting a bulldozer and more like commanding a ship. What makes the ACCO more than just a big machine is its story. It was built by hand, piece by piece, by Italian engineers who were determined to outdo the Americans in scale and power. Each bolt, each weld is a statement. This bulldozer wasn't just built to move Earth, it was built to make history.